Namaskar. Welcome to Adi Yoga. Everybody wants to awaken themselves, one way or the other. Most of the people are trying to get their Kundalini awakened. It's not an easy task, but it's not that tough too at the same point. Now you understand in this way, as Kundalini from your sacral chakra will rise, it will go down first to your root chakra. Your genitals are there. You will feel excited. You will feel like you want to have sex. But that is the actual point when you shouldn't have sex. Because then energy itself will rise through the tailbone, goes through your spine, or it will take the front part from your inner body. It will go up. At the end of the day, it will strike third eye. The lower chakra we can discuss some other day. Today the topic is third eye. So consider three aspects. Let's call the third eye as a stone. To make it a masterpiece of art, you need tool that breaks this stone into a shape. You need something that softens the stone also. So three things become very useful. First thing is chant. Only Maha mantras work here. Every mantra will not work. Then comes your yoga practice, your pranayama. It will strike on this stone. These two practices will make it softer. Then comes Tratak. If we combine all of this, any practice, maybe the chant, maybe the Tratak, maybe the pranayama, they will take the form of shaping this stone into a masterpiece. Any one of these three. But these three are collectively a must initially. Today I am going to chant. If you want to have your chant, you can book a consultation. And if you want to do a chakra activation course, then also you can send us an email. Email ID is in the description. In case you want to see which chant is for you, you can simply book a consultation, or astrological consultation also you can book. With the help of mudras, when you do pranayama, they work very well. But it depends upon body to body. Some people are fat, some people are thin, some people are anxious, some people are not. So there are different type of bodies. In Ayurvedic concept, Vata, Pitta, Kapha. So we have to see which kind of prakriti you are holding. Then I'm going to give you now Tratak technique, which is safe for everybody. Many Trataks, I have just given, I think, on this channel only one video on Tratak, and I told in that video, I will put that video here, that the type of oil you use, whether you should use that type of oil or not, it depends upon your composition of your body and mind. That we see through astrology also. Now, this technique is safe and anybody can practice. What do? I want you to sit down. If it's utter darkness in your room, preferably, it's better. Otherwise, even if it's little open, some light is coming, it's all right. But do not sit directly in front of the light. So light shall not enter in your eyes. It can come from the back of your body, but not from the front. Front shall be dark. What you do, open your eyes, just look at just above the eye level, about 30 degrees to 45 degrees, and keep on looking. Keep on looking and do not blink. Do not blink for at least 45 minutes. It's not easy. Initially it's hard. So the very moment you will start, you will blink. Again, start right away. After 2-3 minutes, you may feel like that you need to blink. Okay, it's all right. But again you start. Then you need to control your urge to blink. In between this time period, your eyes will start to water. Keep a tissue with you. If the 45 minutes are not over, just tap, because your nose will also, get watery. Just do that. Keep a tissue along your side, but do not blink. Do not move. Just keep on looking. Do it every day. Including chanting, including this Tratak kriya, including your pranayamas. What kind of pranayamas you can do? Again, it depends on your body type. Some people have more anxiety in their body, so they cannot do pranayamas. First, we have to bring their anxiety down. How? Mostly 90% of cases, whoever has anxiety, their Vayu element, the air element in their body has shot up. So we have to bring it down. 10% of the cases, it's definitely Vayu, but it has also mixed up with either the Vat, the water element, the Pit, the heat element. Then we have to manage it accordingly. We bring it down, then they can practice pranayama. Diet also plays a crucial role. So we have to make a whole plan. It's not a one-day journey that you take my plan, you pay the consultation fee, the plan, and you can do it. No. You have to stay under the guidance. It's a process. I don't like to charge fees again and again, so I make the schedule one time, and next time when we edit, when we need to bring it to the another level, I don't charge fees, because this is not my job. This is your commitment. If you're really looking for something beyond this, or you're looking for enlightenment, I put up a video. If you're literally looking for liberation from this, all of this, nirvana you want, if you can dedicate your 3 years, you don't have to come to me. Just 3 times in these 3 years you must meet. Apart from them, I will online teach you everything, and I'll bring you to your moksha within 3 years. Your dedication. Yeah, so that's all for this video. If you want to book your consultation, please feel free to write an email. I will see you in next video. Pranam.